everyone! Want to join groups in Roblox and connect with other players as well? What you have to do is simply launch any web browser on your computer. Then go to roblox.com and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Once you're logged in, look at the menu on the left side of the screen and then click on the communities option that is below the shade. After clicking here, you will be taken to the communities page where you can browse various groups. If you're looking for a specific group, you can use a search box at the top. It exists for everyone: fan clubs, help communities, hobbies, corporations, and more. And all the communities have their own walls and shared places. Alternatively, if you have a direct link to group, you can also paste it into the address bar. Now I'll select a group to demonstrate. Let's go ahead and click on Rumble Studios. Now look for the Join Community option over here. Click on it. You can see the indication that you've successfully joined the community. And that's all there is to it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found it useful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.